Hello everyone and once again welcome to WS Cube Tech English channel. Myself Umar Taskeer. Guys, in this particular video we are basically going to discuss about another very important aspect with regards to Facebook ad, and that is basically Facebook ads disapproval or Facebook account disapproval. Guys, whenever you will run Facebook ads, you will definitely come across these kind of problem where you will be facing account disapproval related issues or your ad disapproval related issues. So first of all, what I will recommend you is please go to Facebook policies documentation and read that documentation, that what kind of instructions are given over there, what kind of ads will be disapproved, what kind of landing pages will be disapproved, what kind of content will be disapproved, and how your account is basically evaluated based on those policies. So please do go through all those points, and once you are done with all those points, I'm pretty much sure that your account will not be suspended in future because you will take care of those things. Other than that, there are many other cases also when you do not know actually that what kind of content you should put on your images or what kind of text you should put on your images, and that actually leads to disapproval of your ads. So in this particular video, I'm going to tell you how can you actually see those policies, those ad policies, and how can you take care of them, right? So as you can see on my laptop screen, first of all, we have this URL over here, which is like facebook.com policies/ads. So you can copy this URL for future reference. And then we have these different things which are mentioned over here in this particular documentation. First is overview. So you have to understand the policies, that is what they are saying, right? And there is a lot of confusion between these personal attributes, sexually suggestive content, and Facebook's brand, right? So these are the three main points of confusion which basically leads to ad disapproval or account disapproval or campaign disapproval, right? So first of all, we have to also understand the process of AdWord review, how this is basically done. So first of all, they scan your image, or we can say that creative, actually your ad copy, actually that what kind of content you have mentioned on your ad copy, what kind of images you are using over there, and then they scan your landing page, and if there is any relevancy, right, if then there is any relevancy, they will approve your ad to run, otherwise they will disapprove your ad, right? So you can see over here they have written some points over here. So you can see over here most of the adverts are reviewed within 24 hours, although in some cases it may take longer. What Facebook actually does during this review process is they check your adverts images, they check your text which you have mentioned over there, they check your targeting position, and in addition to your content or advertisers landing page also, because you have mentioned your landing page URL over there in the Facebook ads, right? So they basically check your landing page also, right? And it should be like fully functional, it should match all the policies of Facebook. So once it is reviewed, you will get a notification that whether it is approved or not, or it is eligible to run or not, right? So this is the basic review process that Facebook follows. But what you should do if your ad is disapproved or if your advert is disapproved, in that particular case you can appeal the decision also. If you think that it has been disapproved by mistake, then you can basically go to the account quality section which is present over here, and you can appeal the decision of disapproval. So if it is fine, right, it will be reviewed manually or through bots once again, and if it is fine, your advert will run. So this is how it actually works. Yes, you have the option of appealing the decision of disapproval, right? So you have this account quality section over here that basically tells you about the issues that you have. So see, if I am going over here in this Facebook account section over here, and if I am selecting any one of the ad account over here, we can see which one of our ad is which one of our ad went for review, which one is in review, which one is reversed, and which one is changed. So basically we are going to see different kind of status of our ads over here, right, in this account quality section, right? So we have to take this thing seriously, and from here we can appeal. And if it is fine, right, if Facebook thinks that our ad is fine, they will again review it and they will approve it, right? So this goes on, right? But I will recommend you not to go for anything which is like against Facebook policies. Today or tomorrow they will find you, and once they find you, they will basically kill your ad, or sometimes they will basically kill your ad account also, and that will be very painful because you have one pixel that is there with your ad account, and now that is associated with your website. So that is basically creating a bridge between your website and your ad account, your pixel actually. So if by any means your ad account is dead, which means that your pixel is dead, your Facebook pixel is dead. And if your Facebook pixel is dead, which is basically carrying a lot of information which it actually captured from your website, and it is directing it towards your ad system, right, or towards your ad account, right? So if your pixel is dead because your ad account is dead, it is going to create a lot of problem for you. So I'll recommend you to build your ad accounts, right? To build your ad accounts, do not do anything which is basically against the Facebook policies. Yes, they are little bit strict too, and they basically disapprove a lot of ads, but you again have the option of appealing, or again you can basically make some changes in your ad, and again go to the review process, and then your ads will be approved. But I will not recommend you to go for anything which is basically strictly prohibited or strictly restricted by Facebook ad system. I will never recommend you to do that. If you are doing that, that will create a lot of problem for you in the future, because your ad account will be like disabled and you won't be able to recover that, right? So you have to take this documentation very seriously, and I'll recommend you to go through all the steps over here which are mentioned over here, like all the information about prohibited content. You can see what kind of content is prohibited. Illegal products or services you cannot promote, discriminatory practices you cannot do, tobacco and related products you cannot promote on Facebook, drugs and drugs related, obviously you cannot promote, unsafe supplements you cannot do, weapons and ammunition or explosives. These are the different contents which you actually cannot promote. Then you have restricted contents also, like alcohol, dating, online gambling and gaming related things, pharmacies, right, subscription services. All these things you cannot promote. What kind of content you should avoid in video ads. You have so many guidelines over here, and once again I will recommend you to go through these points and take these points seriously. So if you are running any lead generation ads or lead generation related adverts, you can refer to point number 9, where you are seeing all these things with respect to lead adverts, right? You can see there is a lot of information with regards to lead adverts. And then you have like use of our brand assets. Can you use their brand assets or not? And data use restrictions and things you should know, right? So this one is the last point. Yes, I will recommend you to please do read all these policies and take these policies very seriously if you do not want your ad account to be disabled permanently. So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.